Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Cronus Zen to a PlayStation 5. First, ensure your Cronus Zen device has the very latest firmware installed for optimal performance. Next, connect the shorter micro USB cable from your Zen's console front port directly to a free USB port on your PlayStation 5 console. This crucial first step powers the Zen device and prepares it for all subsequent configurations, ensuring it is ready for seamless integration with your gaming setup. For the next step, you will need an officially licensed PlayStation 4 controller. This is essential for the authentication process. Connect this PlayStation 4 controller to the Zen's console front port using a standard, data-capable micro USB cable. This specific controller serves a vital role as the authentication pass-through, allowing your Cronus Zen to communicate effectively with your PlayStation 5 console. Always ensure it is a genuine PlayStation controller for best results. Now, connect your actual gaming controller, such as your PlayStation 5 DualSense, to one of the Zen's auxiliary ports, specifically a 1, a 2, or a 3. If using a DualSense, utilize a high-quality, data-capable USB-C cable for a stable connection. For those preferring wireless play, you can pair your wireless controller via Bluetooth after completing the initial wired setup process. This step links your input device directly to the Zen, preparing it for gameplay. To fine-tune your settings, connect the longer mini-USB cable from your Cronus Zen's PROG port to an available USB port on your personal computer. Then, launch the Zen Studio software. This powerful application provides full access to all device settings and configurations. Within Zen Studio, you can easily load your preferred game packs or custom scripts directly onto the Cronus Zen, customizing your gaming experience to your exact specifications and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.